How to super react on Instagram. So here we are in the Instagram messages. All you're going to want to do is press and hold on the message you want to react to. So I'm going to do this test one here. Then you'll see all you have to do is tap and hold one of the emojis and then it will super react. So as you can see there, it will kind of bring up the animation of like the hearts. And it's all the same for all of the emojis in here. So all you have to do, like I said before, press and hold on the message, then you want to press and hold on the actual emoji you'd like to super react for. So as you can see, that's how it's done there. But a little step further, if you want to react with other emojis that aren't in this lineup here, all you want to do is press the plus button, then you can click on the emoji you want and it will put it within those 6 lineup emojis. So as you can do, click the plus button, put one of the emojis in there, like click on all, one of those emojis in there, you can like search it up or whatever, put them in there, like this little crying face emoji here, then just press and hold again like you did before, then it will super react like that. So leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.